It's so color coordinated.
You just match up how you doing it. Just step back.
I got so drunk I matched the wall. Oh no,
He's gonna make it. Is he gonna make it?
He's good.
I say he doesn't make it.
He's made it.
He doesn't make it.
Oh.
He was right there.
Just gonna go to sleep right there. There you have it for Sunday morning. All right, Clinton, you have worked with everybody from Lady Gaga to Pitbull to Rick Ross, right? Where do you get inspiration when you're producing?
Inspiration comes from anything, from just what you're feeling and what artists you're working with.
Okay, what about the internet?
The internet. It can come from Chanel's selfies.
Okay. Look, what type of beat inspiration is this? All right, look, we found a lot of people on the internet just inspiring great sound. We call it sparks of genius. Take a look. Oh, this one, the rainforest.
The answer is 1000.
Guess who just made math cool? That one feels kind of like a hit.
Wait.
I'm never using crosswalks again.
That's an unsure version of no. Yeah, think about it. Wait, what do you think?
Wait.
Look at his face.
So creepy, man. The virginity wall.
Oh my god.
Imagine telling somebody like, yeah, I play the chair in the band.
What?
Are those chickens? Chicken.
Chickens know where to let rock. We'll be right back.
This Monday, the trashiest way for it to come out is in a police report. As Janelle's pregnancy hits the news,
Oh my god, that is so.
okay.
Oh shit.
Sorry.
He showed up here.
This is a god.
Take care of Isaac. He's having a harder time.
Oh my god. Man, this is so funny.
All new this Monday at 9.
Oh, fuck up.
If your acne has seen it all, it's time to see what light can do. New Neutrogena Light Therapy Acne Mask.
You guys can see if that is
Its blue light penetrates just beneath skin surface to kill acne-causing
I think it's very
bacteria,
funny.
while its red light goes deeper to reduce inflammation. Turn on the light, turn acne off. Explore more at acnemask.com. Neutrogena. See what's possible.